Hello guys! Does your nails need a little TLC, but the nail salons are either closed or have no availability until next week, but your nails are in dire need of getting them done because they're just so busted? Well, look no further. I'm going to show you how you can do that at home. Anything that I use in this video will be linked in my bio below. So keep on watching.
Alright guys, so we're going to be using a cuticle tool. We're going to gently push back all your cuticles and you're going to repeat on all your nails. You're going to gently slide the trimmer under the edge of your cuticle, following the natural edge of your nail to cut loose those hangnails. And you're going to repeat around the sides of each nail as needed.
Let's drive up again. Let us where we fall. Once know what's right, my friend. Let's ride through the night. Let's ride through the night. We'll keep on going into the sun. We won't be slowing down all the night. You're still my favorite queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive up again. Let's drive up again. You need a high.
Now we're going to be using a nail drill. We're going to switch it to an E-file and we're going to file our natural nails to prep for our fake nails. And we do that because it's going to help our fake nails last longer.
Come for breaking some new ground. I'll let you drive. So we will stare at views we can't believe we found.
Next, we're going to be using a nail primer. And this is one of the most important steps to this process because it helps us remove grease and it prevents air bubbles from happening. So it can help our nails last longer and looking healthier.
Let's ride through the night. We'll keep on going into the sun.
Now we're going to take the set of numbered nails to find the correct sizing for our own nails.
Queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive up again. Let's drive up again. One for the rusting, for the adjusting, one for the tired hands, one for the letdowns, all thanks to this old town, one for the shattered plans. You're still my favorite queen of.
Now that we found the correct sizing for our nails, we're going to be using this gel and this LED UV flashlight to bind the false nails and our real nails together.
We'll keep on going into the sun. We won't be slowing down all the night. You're still my favorite queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive up again. Let's drive up again.
Okay, now we're going to cut our nails to the length and shape that we like. And in this case, I did the almond-shaped nails because that's the shape I like.
It's too hard to quit, can't get enough of it. And I hear people say, oh, he's just a fool, and she loves to play. I already knew she's forbidden fruit. I need to stay away. Run, 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 run. I'm trying to forget her, but my heart will never let her go. Run, 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 run. I wish
to the other side. We're gonna be binding our false nails to our real nails.
Run, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Run, 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 run. Hey, like me, I love when you groove like that. Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, like me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kissed me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, like me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on.
After filing, I like to make sure that all my nails are even, and if they're not, just go back in there and file some more. And after this process, go wash your hands. Now we're going to use this UV lamp to cure the gel on our nails once the gel is applied.
Hey, like me, I love when you groove like that.
We're going to use this gel as a base coat and a top coat.
State of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside.
We're going to use a diamond cone bit to file the bed of your nails so it'll look like your natural nails.
I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give in to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted. No, you're having a reaction. Oh, I can feel the chill. I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go. It's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. I'm fire. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. Lights keep dancing by, painting the sky and adding to our chemistry. Heart beats are blind, right? fall, flames are getting closer. Oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. On fire.
After this process, go wash your hands to wash away all the nail dust. Alright guys, we're almost done, I promise. So now we're gonna apply the gel nail polish, and in this case I chose taupe because that's one of my favorite colors.
Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall, flames are getting closer. Oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. On fire. Oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. I'm bored to death on the job. I'm sick of walking this dog. It's like I live in a fog. Tonight I want something new. I feel the need to get rude. I'm tired of watching the tube. Oh, God, I need some fast relief. So, hey, baby, please, now won't you tell me you feel the same and you want someone to turn it all around and let you freak. Now it's on. Let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright. Get my dirty freak.
So for my top coat, I'll be using this gel that gives it that shiny finish. And there are actually a couple top coats that you can use. So you'll see at the end later where I have this black bottle, and that bottle, that gel gives it that matte finish. And so I use that on 2 of my fingers because I want it to make it look a little bit different.
Floor, 'cause I can't take it no more. Seems like I've been here before. Oh, God, I need some fast relief. Like 3 stacks of pancakes and a day of TV, and I'm already ready to go and be gone. So come on, bring the heat on, let me know that it's on. Let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright.
Alright guys, home stretch. This is the final step. So the last thing we're going to be using is cuticle oil. It helps moisturize your nails and your cuticles so it won't dry out and it won't get damaged, and it helps you restore it to health.
'Cause we can do this every day, and every day, until our heads fall to the ground. Yes, we can do this every day.
Now you guys don't have to step foot in that nail salon anymore. No more waiting in line and making that appointment, because now you can do it at home. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button down below, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.